Welcome back to class. So now we'll be doing practical 7 and 8 of a Qbasic ICT 102. For that is the introduction to programming language using Qbasic. So using inbuilt function in Qbasic program. So here our practical is to use inbuilt function Qbasic, then to introduce students to commonly use inbuilt function in Qbasic. The objectives are listed. I just want us to go straight to the practical where we need to copy the code, run it, check our observations, and determine our conclusion. So I'm going to copy this code now. You already know what to do here. You don't copy, you don't write this brief introduction. I've told you, you write the procedure. You don't even need to write the code. Of course, you don't need to write the code. You write the procedure, you get your result, you get your observation, and you move forward. So what I'm going to do is to copy this code and see what the code is going to do. So I'm pasting the code here. So there is an error message here: dim name hashtag as string. So let's check what is happening here on line 11. Click again. So dim name as string. So we want us to change it to dim, let's see, dim base, okay, dim value, okay, dim, I'll take it back. I'll remove the dim name. So this is it. So I'll remove the hashtag, I'll remove the dollar sign and see dim name dim number. Okay, so I put the dollar sign back. Let me see what happened. Okay, let me remove the dollar sign. Dim number and string. So since anyway I see the name, I change it to number. So let's see, number. That is what you are doing is debugging. Number. So let's see, this is a mathematical function, string function. Let's see what it's going to do. I'm running it by pressing F5 on my keyboard. So let's see what is going to happen. Don't forget that we debug it. We click OK. So say this name, length of name, first is character, last is character, and then press enter. So you only display some information to us. We couldn't even supply any information. So it is to print this, to print what is in the above. So to print the mathematical function and check the strings of those mathematical functions. So I don't know why it's not actually showing, displaying some of the things supposed to display. That's that about that. This is how. Okay, this is what they are expecting. Name supposed to show Qbasic programming, length of name, this, first is character Qbasic, last is character, and mean. You understand? This is the function, this is the result here. You already have the result, so you can change your own supply and result. So in practical 7 is to show us using user defined. We have inbuilt defined, we have user defined. So let's go and check out the code again. So we are going to copy this and user defined function to compute square. Let me see this one. What we are doing is okay, user defined function to compute square, user defined function to calculate area, and then on our result is enter a number to find its square 5, enter length of rectangle 4, then we have the output, so the 25 rectangle, and on and so forth. You know how to run it. But let me run it. I don't think it. Let me copy it. I think it's supposed to stop here. That's that. Let's run it and see what it's going to show. Enter a number to find the square. 5. Square of 5 is equal to 0. Enter a number to find its square. Square of 5 is not supposed to be equal to 0. Enter length of rectangle. How many? Enter a number to find a square. Enter length of rectangle. 6. Enter width of rectangle. 3. Area of rectangle is 0. I don't know how area of rectangle is 0. Let me go and see what I supply here. Enter. Okay, 4. And the square is supposed to be 25, so I don't know why the square is not. Oh, sorry, I didn't add the user function to it. This is the user function. Okay, sorry for that. This is the user function, so I think I can run it like that. Oh, that's the user function. That is the one that will calculate it. So we will run it again. So enter 5, enter, and here good. Then 4, enter, then 6, then to give me area is 24. I think that is that. So we are able to run it and see the user function and then the inbuilt function. So thanks for taking your time to watch this. I know if there is any question, you can drop it on the comment and you ask me. So sorry if the video may be rough or maybe you don't understand. You can easily drop your question or ask me when we see it.